Everyone says that their weight loss program is simple, easy, fast, effective. But is it really? UCLA researchers found that 66% of people that lost weight on various diets gained more weight after the diet ended than they had lost. How depressing is that? You're heavier now than when you began the diet. And let's not even talk about the numbers of people who start a weight loss program only to quit a few days or weeks or whatever it is, but really just short of their goal because they just couldn't stand it. Weight loss may not be easy, we all know that, but it can be simple. If you have the right simple plan, the right support system, and the right safe products, you got a real good chance of winning. The Healthy Body Weight Loss Pack is just that, a healthy way for you to kickstart your weight loss in a major way while feeding your body all the right nutrients so it's not just surviving, but thriving and targeting excess calories. The Weight Loss Pack is designed not just with products, but also a very specific, detailed nutrition plan. A strategic 3-week or 6-week cycle you choose based on your weight loss goals, and a support system of social media tools, conference calls, videos, and education so you have the best chance for success. Every step is planned out for you. You simply follow the program, receive advice and support from your fellow Healthy Body Challenge teammates, and keep committed to the track of success like thousands of others. Along with the products featured in the Healthy Body Pack, the Weight Loss Pack contains our exclusive metabolic and weight loss enhancer, As Slim as Possible. As Slim as Possible, or ASAP as we refer to it, is a powerful natural set of nutrients that reprograms the body so that it stops storing all those excess calories and begins to use them as a primary energy source. Through enhancing and releasing your true metabolic potential, physiologically dealing with the elements of stress, one of the main culprits for weight gain, and detoxifying and controlling your cravings, ASAP is your best ally in the fight against weight.